Did you know that a tiny seed can transform your digestion, help with weight loss, and even balance hormones? Yes, we are talking about fennel seeds. But how do they work? And are there any side effects? Stay with me till then because you don't want to miss these powerful benefits. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. From boosting metabolism to relieving bloating, they offer incredible health benefits. But before you start adding them to your diet, it's important to know both their benefits and potential risks. 1. Boosts digestion and reduces bloating. Have you ever felt bloated after a meal? Fennel seeds act as a natural digestive aid, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. They contain compounds that relax your stomach muscles, making digestion smoother. How to use? Chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals or make fennel tea by steeping them in hot water for 5 minutes. 2. Supports weight loss. Naturally struggling with weight loss. Fennel seeds can boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Best way to consume. Drink fennel seed water every morning on an empty stomach to speed up metabolism and detox your body. 3. Improves heart health and lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure. Fennel seeds are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. Tip. Add fennel seeds to your daily diet, or simply chew a few seeds to get these heart protective benefits. 4. Balances hormones and supports women's health. Ladies, did you know fennel seeds can help regulate your menstrual cycle and ease period cramps? They contain phytoestrogens, which naturally support hormonal balance. How to use? Drink fennel tea during your menstrual cycle to reduce cramps and discomfort. 5. Side effects and who should avoid fennel seeds. Now, before you rush to consume fennel seeds daily, let's talk about some precautions. Who should avoid it? Pregnant women may cause hormonal changes. People with allergies, some may be sensitive to fennel. Those on medications, fennel may interact with certain drugs, so consult your doctor. Moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day to enjoy the benefits safely. So, are you ready to add fennel seeds to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.